Yeah, Ren Dog in the building. I'ma dedicate this one to one of the best to ever do it. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Right here. Let's go.
Ren what? Ren who? Ren what? Ren who?
Spit your flow, get your dough, gonna put him on a renovation, bro. Spit your flow, get your dough, gonna put him on a renovation, bro.
This is renovation, and I'm the renovator. Never been an imitator, homie, I'm an innovator. Take it to the rack, I be driving like a penetrator, pumping like a generator, hot as an incinerator, burning up the airways like I'm on a stairway, climbing while I'm rhyming all the way to the top, moving up the pop charts, popping like a pop tart. Gotta keep it moving 'cause the game don't stop, so I'ma keep it going with the lyrics that I'm flowing. And the music got me feeling so nice, 'cause that's my vice, and the rhythm I be feeling. In the verses I be killing and be chilling like a villain on ice. That mean I'm cooler than a fan with the windows down, and I'm a man when I'm in your town. So all your rappers in the land better stand and defend your ground, or watch a man come and win your crown. Because I'm going in attack mode, coming down the back road, busting like I'm busting a cap, and everybody gonna see me when I ride by. Thinking it's a drive-by, but I'm only busting a rap. So you can flow and you can go and beat your feet on a hike, because I'm about to bring the heat on the mic. And every time I come in here, my engineer put a beat on a like, and then I ride it like a seat on a bike. 'Cause I be going off like a light switch, flip like a mic switch, but I'm always staying the same. And I put it down like it's dead weight, try to keep my head straight, and all I wanna change the game. 'Cause I remember when the game was innovated and it was authenticated, just people imitated, then the game was simulated, so the game disintegrated, almost got eliminated till the game was stimulated. Now the game was renovated by the Renovator. Now what?
Ren what?
Do you think you can hang with me?
Ren who?
R-E-N to the D-O-G.
Ren what?
Do you think you can hang with me?
Ren who?
R-E-N to the D-O-G.
Ren what?
Do you think you can hang with me?
Ren who?
R-E-N to the D-O-G.
Ren what?
Do you think you can hang with me?
Ren who?
R-E-N to the D-O-G. G.